Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country on Ticketmaster. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar simply type in ticketmaster.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official website for Ticketmaster, where you can log in to your account by clicking on the sign in button and using your email address and your password. Now once you are logged in, you will see the My Account section at the top, so simply just click on it. Now click on My Account and this will take you into your account settings page. Now from the account overview page, simply scroll down and click on Settings. Now from this page, if you scroll down, you will be able to find your location at the bottom section. Simply click on the drop-down menu and then select your desired location. After selecting your desired location, simply click on the Update Location button and your location will be updated immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your location on Ticketmaster. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.